Hello friends, Carrie Ann here. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty, and you are watching Living in Hendersonville, the show that's all about living here in Hendersonville, North Carolina, and we really explore all of Western North Carolina. I'm sitting on a beautiful screened-in porch today. I love screened-in porches. I am here at a very interesting property. Yes, I'm coming to you with another home tour, and this one is in Hendersonville, so we're always excited about that. This property is 0.38 acres. The address is 636 Midway Street in Hendersonville, North Carolina. There are actually 3 units on this property, so it's an investor's dream, and it's super close to the Ecusta Trail. I can't wait to show it to you. I'm sitting in the left side of a duplex, so there's one single family home that is split and is a duplex. Both of them have screened-in porches, and then there's a really cool camper on the property. So I'm excited to take a look with you, and let's go check her out. This property is so cute, and like I said, it's really close to the Ecusta Trail. It's actually the side street it comes off of is right across from the Shell station in front of a wonderful coffee shop called Southern Streams. You can walk to the Laurel Park right across from Laurel Park Town Hall. I always called that park the Castle Park because there's a castle there, but it's just a sweet gem of a property, and there's so much potential with a duplex and a whole other fun unit. My name is Carrie Ann. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Living in Hendersonville. If this house is interesting to you and you want to learn more about this property or any property you see on the channel, or just Western North Carolina or living in Hendersonville, I hope you will give me a call. This is my number right here. Please call me, shoot me a text message, email me. Be sure to like this video, hit that notifications button, and subscribe to the channel so you know when another video will come out. Thank you so much, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye, friends!